Hi everyone, this is an overview of a Google a day, and what it is it's just a fun way for kids to be able practicing their search terms that they put into Google. And so what happens is Google creates three different questions per day, and the kids get the question and then have to use different search terms to find it. So if we take a look at here and click start playing, you get the question. The kids can get a hint. They can have the couple letters of it. But the biggest thing is the tips and tricks part. So we see here, they're able to look at different ways of searching things just to get different combinations to find things that come up. And the kids are able to go through all of them. And then it kind of goes in more into Google looking at ways to find what they need. So it really is a resource to kind of teach kids about using search terms appropriately. So when you're doing this, the kids get points, and every second that they take, the points go down. And at the end of it, the kids could come to track their scores. So, like we can see here today, like I haven't yet started these, but the kids can get so many total points, and then they're able to track them. So, a fun way could be that you have the kids create their own tracking device. You can see if their points go up, their points go down. Maybe you put them in teams and have the teams try to get the most points for the week. Just kind of a really cool, easy way to work on research skills. So I hope you enjoyed this.